Okay, so I have a surprise here. This is the window to the rear of my apartment. It's condensated because of the moisture outside. And right there, you see the snow mounting on it. This is the first time it's ever snowed this much in this city. I've lived here now 7 years. I feel like I'm in New England or something. It's the night before Thanksgiving, not the night before Christmas or New Year's. That's pretty steady. They're predicting. Yesterday they weren't predicting anything, and then this morning it wasn't anything, and then by noontime they predicted a storm, 5 to 10 inches. If it keeps up this rate, yeah, could be. I could make a snowman tomorrow. I made a snowman last year in January or February, and I transformed it in the paint programs on the phone. One to a little baby thunderbird, and the other one to an alien rabbit in green. Because it kind of like glowed in the dark. But I made it all the way over there, and then I used a super lens to shoot a picture of it from here. I'm just going to let it sit here for a few minutes. Thanksgiving Day on Central Avenue. It's pretty deserted, and it's probably not bad. We're at home and they're experiencing their family ties, I guess. So Central Avenue is, you could drive down it, I guess. The side streets are all slush. I think this is called slush in the United States. It's not a common word in the radio sync here, so people don't use it because snow is so uncommon. But snow in the mountains is not uncommon, but snow down here. Well, I guess we're in the mountains, but about an hour ago you could see the mountain range, but right now you can't because it's snowing again. This was a sushi place, and it's only changed over. In one week's time, it changed from sushi to poke. I'm not sure what that means, but they have another restaurant somewhere on the east side of town. This is a recently renovated place. This place used to serve as much coffee as you wanted. I forgot to check that. And see where the restroom is. There was a cafe bar. It says restroom. Just beyond that, you see the silver thing. That's where you get your extra coffee and tea if you wanted to have a second. So I guess it's still there. It's a bit of a benefit. It costs like $3 for 8 ounces of coffee, but you can have more if you want. Slush, lots of slush, wet slush. Good. It's the kind where you like walk along and you don't have boots on, you're stepping in. Oh my God, I am now in need of galoshes. Now your feet get chilled down from an iceberg. Oh, the sun. I haven't seen the sun in 2 days. It just came out. Another pedestrian. I actually had some work for it. That's actually a film development studio right there for if you wanted to make a live film. Well, I actually ate my turkey earlier, but there's some leftovers. I cook it in the microwave. I did actually cook my turkey in the microwave. My rice and corn. And you see, there it is. Ooh, got some steam on there. It actually tastes quite tasty. After the turkey was done, it took an hour to cook, 2.75. They call it bone-in for some reason, and it means boneless. I don't get it, but it means boneless. And after I cooked it, I sliced it up, and then put some butter with the spices on a pan and sizzled it a bit. It gave it the browning. And actually I cooked another 10 minutes. Anyway, so I'm reheating this. It's been a couple hours since I ate. Having leftovers. But I just noticed something that's really interesting. It looks like that there's that the fog over there. That's actually not city lights. That's stellar. Pink and green. That's actually like I guess the Antarctic. You see the color? That's really there. Pink to the left, green. So I guess what do they call those? The lights fly to the Arctic Circle to see. What? See them right here. And that's the current condition. The white carpet, some black. You ever wonder about that? All the stuff about color and racism, and that's black. You see the color over there, that's blue and orange. That could be city lights, but to the left it couldn't be. Interesting, huh? So there's the storm. That's the sky. is on top of the mountain over there, right there, and over there, and just barely over there. Well, the sky is mostly clear. The clouds are still hovering in the vicinity of the mountains out there, and the water is dripping from the roof.
You're listening to WXJ34, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.400 megahertz over central New Mexico. Programming for this station originates from the National Weather Service office in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Now from the forecast office in Albuquerque, here are the noon observations. At the Albuquerque Sunport, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 48 degrees, with a dew point of 41. Relative humidity was 76%. Wind south at 17 miles an hour to 25 miles an hour.
Well, about 10 minutes ago, a gigantic squall came through. It's rain and wind. The wind is about 40 miles per hour right now. You might call this the upper crust. I call this the foothills of Albuquerque. And you see the upper crust of the snow. And then just a little bit further up, you see the antennas. I think that those antennas up there are for the Justice Department. It's 12,000 feet, but it's a central location if you consider hitting people from, you could hit Texas, Mexico, all of California, and all of the U.S. from there.